Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to share internet with Bluetooth tethering between two Android devices. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap Connections. Scroll down little bit and tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Here you will see Bluetooth tethering. Share your phone's internet connection using Bluetooth. Simply turn on Bluetooth tethering. Now go back to home screen and turn on Bluetooth. Swipe down twice from top right side of the screen, then turn on Bluetooth. To connect internet using Bluetooth, first turn on Bluetooth, then tap More Bluetooth settings, search for available devices. When internet sharing device appear on the list, tap on it and pair your device. When device paired, open Bluetooth, then connect Bluetooth with shared device. Now browse internet using Bluetooth. Here you will see mobile data and Wi-Fi turned off, only Bluetooth turned on. So these are the steps to share internet with Bluetooth tethering between two Android devices. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.